Okay, so I have a problem with this PC. I don't know what's going on, and if you guys could help me, that'd be great. So basically, I'll run through everything. I'm pretty sure this is my processor under the fan. I have my 2 GB or four 2 GB sticks of RAM, and they're all secured and clean. I have my hard drive. I think it's 750 megabits of memory. I don't know, it's not a lot. Two DVD things, my power supply, my graphics card, and that's everything. But, so right now it's on, and I haven't turned my monitor on, but just to check, I turned on my keyboard, or I plugged in my keyboard just to see if it was delivering power to everything. And well, I mean, it is, because it's all lighting up. So whenever I go to turn on my monitor, it goes into power saving mode, and it turns off with the orange light. So I don't know if something's displaced in here, if it's just old or whatever. If you guys could help me out, that'd be great. Thanks. Bye.